Meaning of HSBC.
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 HSBC. HSBC stands for Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. It is a multinational bank with its headquarters in London, UK. The bank was founded in 1865 to facilitate trade between Europe and the Asian markets. Today, it operates in over 60 countries and has a diverse range of financial services such as retail banking, investment banking, and wealth management. HSBC is one of the world's largest banking and financial services organizations, serving around 38 million customers worldwide. The bank focuses on sustainable finance and has committed to transitioning to net zero financing by 2050.